Today's topic quadratic equation. This topic related to chapter number 4. Earlier classes I will take an quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c, just like this question, quadratic equation. We find out by factorization method, find out the value of x. Today's I am taking method of completing the square and find out the value of x here. So we are taking in quadratic equation ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Then c transfer into right hand sides, we get minus c here. We divide by coefficient of x square, that is a, both side. We get ax square upon a plus bx upon a minus c upon a. A with the cancelled out. Add coefficient of x and its half and its perfect square. Its square both side. We get x square plus b upon ax plus, that is b upon a divided by 2n whole square here. So plus b upon 2a whole square both sides. So look here, this is the completing using the completing the squares. Write down x plus b upon 2a whole squares. After solving here, you get x square plus b upon ax plus b upon 2a whole square. And write down here, that is b square at square of 2, that is 4a square minus c upon a. Taking square root both side. So square root x plus b upon 2a whole square, and taking square root here, b LCM of 4a square and a, that is 4a square b square minus 4ac. We cancel out square by square root, so we get x plus b upon 2a. If we using the square root sign, taking plus minus sign here, so plus minus square root b square minus 4ac, and you get square root of 4, that is 2, and square root of a square, that is a. So plus sign change into right side, so b upon 2a minus, and plus minus b square minus 4ac upon 2a, and x equal to, we are taking LCM 2a minus b plus minus b square minus 4ac. This is the also the solution of the formula, and we are using the method of completing the squares. So students, I revise here, ax square bx plus c here, we change the minus c here, and we divided by a here, and then add coefficient of x upon 2 whole square both sides. After simplification, we are taking square roots, we get an formula here, x equal to minus b plus minus square root b square 4ac upon 2a. We are taking it and question 2x square plus 3x and plus 5. So look here, let us take an example, 2x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0, and using completing the square method. Using completing the square methods, we find out the value of x here. First we divide by coefficient of x square, that is 2, both side. So 2x square upon 2, 3 by 2x and minus 5 upon 2 equal to 0. We change here to cancel out x square plus 3 by 2x and 5 upon 2. Add coefficient of x upon 2 whole square It means coefficient of x, that is 3 by 2. Also divided by 2, taking half and perfect square. This will be 9 upon 4 whole square. Add both sides, we get x square plus 3 by 2x plus 9 upon 4 whole square and 9 upon 4 whole square. Both sides we get. We are look here. This is the perfect square. X plus 9 upon 4 whole square. We are not taking 9 now. We are taking 3 here. So 3 upon 4 whole square. And that is the 3 square, that is 9, and 4 square, that is 60, plus 5 upon 2. Also we take in the LCMs. 9 plus 2 8s are, that is 40, and 49 upon 16. So taking square root both sides. So x plus 3 upon 4 whole square equal to 49 upon 16. So taking square root and plus minus sign here. So square cancelled out by square root and we get x plus 3 upon 4 and plus minus square root of 49, that is 7, or square root of 16, that is 4. So we are taking x equal to minus 3 by 4 plus minus 7 upon 4. First we taking plus sign and then we are taking minus sign. So plus 7 minus 8, that is 4 upon 4. We cancelled out x equal to 1 and x equal to minus 10 upon 4. That is minus 5 upon 2. So student, we are using the completing the square method to find out two values of x. At last we given some homework for your practice. Homework question number: using the method of completing the square. Question number first: 2x square plus 7x minus 9 equal to 0. Question number second: x square plus 3x minus 5 equal to 0. Question number third: 4x square plus 7x minus 10. Question number 4: x square minus 7x minus 8 equal to 0. So student, try these questions. If any problem, you contact me. Thanks a lot.